Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video we will talk about a very important concept of algebra, which is factorization, by splitting the middle term into two parts and completely factorizing the given expression. So I'm going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3b from NSM2. So we will be solving two parts in this video, A part and C part. Both are having different variation. So I'm writing A part first. Part A is A square plus 9A plus 8. You all know that there is another method of factorization, that is by taking the common factors out. So but whenever there are odd number of terms, that factorization is really not helpful because that is not completely factorizing the given expression. So for this case, if particularly there are three terms given, so then this method is the best, where we split the middle term and change the three terms into four terms. Now the important question is how to split terms. So the rule says that multiply the last digit and the first digit, coefficient of the first term, along with the signs. So this is very important. So AB, I will tell you what AB means. AB is basically the splitted term. AB is giving you the numbers in which we are going to split the middle term, which is plus 9A in this particular case. So to find what is the appropriate or suitable pair in which we can split 9A so that the factorization is helpful, we are going to do factorization. So but how we are going to do? A multiplied by B should be the coefficient of first term multiplied with the last term along with their signs. So plus 1 in this particular case multiplied by plus 8. So it is 8. So now A plus B must be the coefficient of the middle term, which is plus 9 here. So basically I need to find two numbers in which I can split 9A in such a way that if we multiply those two numbers, we get 8 plus 8, and if we add those two numbers, we get plus 9. So here is the time where I need to do the prime factorization of 9. So but while looking at 9, it is very clear that I can split this 9 into 8 and 1, because if A is plus 8 and B is plus 1, if I multiply these two terms, I get 8. If I add them, I am getting 9. So this is the most suitable pair in which I can split it. So if you find this confusion till now, it's fine, because this is where the practice is involved. The more you will practice, the more you will be good at finding the suitable pair in which you can split. So now let's get back to the question. I know now that I can split this middle term into A plus 8A plus 8. So this is the splitted term now, because plus 1A plus 8A is plus 9A. So now I have to take common of the first two terms. A is a common. Inside it will be A plus 1. From A square, A is gone, so it's A left, plus this A is also gone outside, so there is 1 left. Now in the third and fourth term, plus 8A plus 8A, I can take out 8. So A will be left in this term, and because 8 is gone outside, the 1 is left. So now I can take this A plus 1 common, A plus 1, and the remaining is A plus 8. So this is the answer. This is completely factorized now. If you want to recheck that my answer is correct or not, you can multiply the two terms. They are both binomials, a plus 1 and a plus 8. So multiply them and get the same question back. So let's solve one more part in which there is a trick, because there is a negative sign involved. So let's see how to deal with the question if there is negative sign. So I'm going to solve C part of the same question. It is C square minus 9C plus 20. So now, as I told you, the first step is that finding the suitable pair. So such that A, B will be 20 into 1, because they are both positive. So there is no need to mention the sign. A multiply B must be 20, and A plus B must be minus 9, because there is a negative sign here. Alright. So now let's do prime factorization of 20. So, or make the pairs. Let's not do the prime factorization, but this is called making the pairs. So I can see with the number very closely. If I divide this number into 5 and 4, so I can, if I multiply the two numbers, I get 20 back. If I add the two numbers, I get 9. But the important thing here is that if A is 5 and B is 4, by multiplying them, yes, I get 20, but while adding them, currently I'm not getting minus 9, I'm getting 9. So now I need to use the sign here. So I will add a sign with A as well as B. So these signs I will decide based on the signs here. So now you see A plus B is minus 4 minus 5, which is minus 9. So this is correct. And A multiplied by B is minus 4 into minus 5. So it's plus 20. This is also verified. Please put the signs very carefully in this step and practice more questions so that you are familiar with the finding of appropriate pair. So now let's solve the question. We got the pairs. So now I can write down C square minus 5A or 5C, sorry, 5C minus 4C plus 20. So now in the first two terms you can take out C. So inside will be C minus 5. In the second term you are taking 4 out. Now this is very important. You are taking minus 4 outside. So the sign discs inside will be flipped. This minus will become plus. So 4 is gone. So we are left with C. Now this plus 20 will be changed into minus. And as we are taking out 4, so 4 into 5 is 20. So this is left. So I can take C minus 5 common. So C minus 5 multiplied with C minus 4. This is my answer. So there is a quick way of checking you are doing the factorization correct or not, is this step when you are taking out the common second time. So you can see that the both terms should have the same common in the bracket. So if your common is not coming same, it means you are making mistake while splitting the middle term. So please practice these questions more. This whole exercise is based on the same topic, same logic. So thank you for watching, everyone. So there is another hint, by the way, I want to give you. Like sometimes in the question, in the first step there can be a common taken out. So if that is the possibility, so you should take the common in the first step before splitting the middle term, so that your numbers are not very big. So please share with me that if you have any queries or any problems, or is there any problem in splitting any term. So please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.